the variable written, that is name bracket, okay, 0 now. Start at 0, step at 2, and then step at 8, and it went to C.
And it's went to
Your
C,
name
right?
is stepping to letter C.
Let me see. I don't know. This is supposed to work actually. I think I'm trying to get what to see what I'm getting on. Oh, it's like it's like I missed something. It's like this is start, this is stop, and this is step. I was missing it up. Missing it up, sorry. That's it. Please, so sorry for that. I don't know what I was thinking about. Hello.
Sorry, I was asking what the meaning of the step. I understand the beginning and the end, but the step, that's the C.
Okay, we can see it printed out down here, right? So let me start. So it means the first zero start from 0, right? Remember our 0 is 1. Which
Yes.
is C, right? So the last one is step by 2. So we have 0, 1, 2, which is what the second one is arrow, right? Then we have a 1, 2. The next one you should have is S, right? Then you have 1, 2, which should stop as what? 8, which is I.
Okay.
Does that make sense?
No.
Okay. Is it because I made a mistake before? How can I explain it? Okay. Let's see. In slicing strings, right? We can start from our right hand side to our left hand side, right?
Yes, sir.
From our right hand side, we start from 0 to the end of the number, right?
Okay.
So whatever position we can count at 1, 2, 3, 0, and whatever position we pick, that's the one it will give us. But here is if you want to step between the letters or the words we have in that particular string, right? Or in a particular variable. The rule is we start from oh God, I can explain this simple. Okay, we specify 3 columns, right? Hello?
Hi.
We specify 3 columns, right? And the 3 columns is the first column means starts from this number I'm giving you. The second column means stop at this one I'm giving you, right?
Okay.
And the last one means end at this number I am giving you. Hello?
I didn't get that last one. This last one is okay.
Okay. You can see the code written out here. Oh, let me just remove everything we have here. Let me try to. Or let me just change the names. Let me say our name, right?
Okay.
Is equals to, can you give me a name?
Yeah, it is Favor.
Favor. Favor, right? So now in this favor, right? Let me print it out so that we can see. Print name, right? Okay. Now let's see. In this favor, right, we don't want to print everything. We want to slice or look through some of the words inside of favor. Are you with me? So the
Sure.
first one, as when I want to start from 0, right? I will give it 0. These first ones mean start from this 0. So I'll put my column. The second one is end at this number. I can say end as 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. End as 6, right?
Yes.
And the last number there will be to step. Okay, let me tell you to step by 2 so that it will be obvious. It means that it's going to skip one number inside of this favor's name.
Okay. Okay. So when it counts
Okay,
it keeps it, then goes to
hello.
I'm listening.
Did you see the answer we got?
Yes, FUV.
FUV, right? Okay, so let's see how many words do we have here? 1, 2,
1,
3, 4, 5, 6,
4,
right?
5, 6. Yes.
6, right? Okay,
So it picks
0,
the first
1,
one.
2, 3, 4, 5, right? We just want it to contain everything. So we told you to start from 0. 0 is what? F, right?
Yes.
This is 1. This is the start. Start from 0, which is F, right? Step by 2, that is skip 2 letters. That is, we have F, 1, 2, right? Which is V. Then skip another 2 again, which is have 1, 2, which is U. Then it has no 2 to skip again. That is where it stops at that number.
Okay. Okay.
This your okay is not convincing. You are still confused.
No, I'm confused. I'm okay.
Are you sure? Oh Christ, my laptop is not charging. Hold on, my battery is almost dying. Let me check. Wow, please give me a minute. Okay, I think we are good now. I'm charging. Sorry, I've been running on my laptop at 6. Okay, please, are you still confused?
Yes, sir. Which means the 6 is the total number of alphabet or what?
Yes. Okay. Yes, it's a total number. Okay, let's tell it. It's not actually, you can tell it's anywhere you want it to stop, right? I can tell you to stop at 4.
Okay.
Let's see what we will have. We have F and U, right?
F and V.
F and V, right? So
Yes,
it means it starts from 0, which is 1. Then skip 1, 2, which is V, right?
Yes, sir.
So this is 0, 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So it did not have any extra 2 to count again. That's why it just stopped at V. So the reason why I used 6, then I wanted it to get everything. That was why I just used 6. So the 6 there means the end. You are correct, but you can put any number there.
Okay. It's clear.
But I just want you to know that this means this beginning means start. Start from this number I'm giving you. The center one means stop at this number I am giving you.
Okay.
And the last one means skip by this number I'm giving you. I can tell you to skip by 1. If I tell you to skip by 1, what should I have? I think I should have the complete favor. Yes.
The full spelling.
The full spelling, right? So if I tell you to skip by 3, I should have
you'll be having
just F, right?
Just F. Let me
Yeah,
see.
that's it there. So we are starting from F. This is F. This is 1, 2, 3, which is O. The other ones do not have up to 3 again, so you just stop.
Yes. That's
So
good.
hello.
Yes,
Yes,
I
sir.
have a question.
Okay, what's the question?
The stop. If we change it
Yes.
to 8, will the output still be the same? I want
Let's
us to
see.
try and see.
Let's see.
There are no
Okay,
8 alphabets.
I'm-
So even if you
I'm-
put 20 here, I think the output will still be the same. It will only encompass only the available alphabets.
That are there, right? So you can see it. Do you see that?
yes. I'm clear now.
You are clear now.
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you. Please, if you are confused, speak up. Let's move on before So nobody's confused, right?
Yes, sir.
I will send a link to your group to learn more on string slicing so that you get more. Please, if you do, ask more questions so that I'll be able to understand. And the thing is, much of programming is googling out things, because you don't have everything in your head, and you don't need to program everything. So you just have to do exercises, build things, try to like make out code for yourself and build things. That's how they get stick to your brain. And as you are figuring out those exercises and fixing those bugs, that is how you get to learn. That is how you become good. So even if you're a very smart person and you don't practice, there's no how you actually get what you are doing.
Okay.
So can I move on, or did anybody have any question?
I suggest we
Yeah.
move on.
Can move on.
Okay. So I am moving on now. I think this should be the end of our string.
Okay.
Yes, I think so. So we have covered our notes on strings. So I think the next we should go into is numbers. And can you see numbers on my this thing? What are you seeing?
Expression.
This is yours.
And,
Can also see
the definition. Oh, no. Okay. Yes, expression and the definition. We have before then in line 2, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 being
okay,
printed
yes,
out.
yes. That's numbers. That's numbers. I was actually making the notes before I've not been free since morning. I did not make it ahead. So I was trying to make the notes before I catch up with the class.
Okay.
I have not finished a lot of things. So I will format most of the things I was working on and send it to you guys by, if I can finish it this night or tomorrow morning. Are we okay? Okay.
Yeah, okay, sir.
So we have numbers in Python, right? Remember yesterday I told you we have how many types of numbers? 3 types of numbers, right?
Yes.
Did you remember them?
We have int, we have float.
Okay. You can just solve it int and float, right? So int stand for full numbers, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
And float stand for what's a float again?
Number with decimals.
With decimal points, right?
Yes.
So numbers with decimal points. So basically Python can do any arithmetic to give it. So it can do all the additions, all the subtractions, all the multiplication that you throw into it, and it will take it and give you back your your answer. You are following, right? So once you have,
Yes.
you see the example you have, we have an example of expression. You can read the expression here for yourself and understand what it actually means. I'm not going to theory like that. Let's just straight finish this one. It's not a long document. We just finish it and tomorrow we go straight to list and logic. So we have 4 plus 6, which should give us 10, right?
Yes.
And we have, if you write out 2, we should get just 2. Am I correct?
Yes.
So here I say we have addition, like 1 plus 2, which should give us 3. We have
Yes.
subtraction, which is like 6 minus 3, which will give us
Minus 3.
minus, it did not give us
No,
minus
that's
3.
three.
Why do you say
Minus
will give
three
us
is 3,
minus 3? It's 3, okay. So we have multiplication, and multiplication, you always use what? Asterisk for multiplication, right?
Yes.
I used to that. And you know where to get asterisk in your keyboard.
Yes.
So for
Yes.
multiplication, you use asterisk. Then the division, you use this is the division symbol, right?
Yes.
Division, use your division symbol and you can get it there. Then you have raised to power. I think raised to power is exponential.
Yes.
So that's, you use a double asterisk. So which 2 raised to power 3 would give us an 8, right?
Yes.
So the next we have a whole number, right? So if you want to divide, if you want to get, remember division can give you the floating point number.
Yes.
But if you want to get only the full, what can I call it?
The whole number part.
Only the
Round it
whole
up,
number
round
points. You
it up
use
to
double
the
this thing.
Yes.
For example, let me try the one we had before. We had 19, right?
Yes. Divided
We
by
had
3.
19 divided by 3. Let's see what we have. We have what? 6, and it cuts out the points
The fraction
333 or the fraction, right? Thank you.
Yes.
So the next we have remainder operator. I
Yes.
think this is called remainder or
Remainder.
right?
Yes. Modulus.
Yeah, we have remainder or modulo operator. It gives you only the remainder.
Yes. Yes.
So that means whatever number you give it, it gives you only the remainder of that number. For example, let's do the 16 divided by 3 that we had before. Was it 16?
19.
Okay, 19, right?
19 divided by 3.
So let's do the 19 divided by 3, right?
It gives us 1.
Gives us
3.
1, right? What is this supposed to give us?
1, no? Correct.
1, right?
Yes. So I can divide it by 6, then 1 remainder.
So it gives us 1. So those are just the basics of arithmetics. So the other one still follows your normal board mass or your normal, yeah, I think it's board mass. So once you start having a large set of it, I think I have another node I was doing on numbers that contains one, but let's just do the basics with them. Time has already gone and we need to be in church tomorrow. So let me just rush up. So down here, we just have a table that shows, I was trying to format this one later. I will just format it later tonight before I send it to you guys. I was still producing the note before this thing. So we just have, just like what we have done before, we just have a double asterisk for exponents, right?
Yes.
And we have, what is this again?
Modulus.
Remainder or modulus for remainder operators, right?
Yes.
Then we have integer division or the float quotient, which gives us only the remainder.
Yes.
So we have the division, which is a normal division in maths.
Float.
Then we have
Yes.
multiplication, we have subtraction, and we have addition. Hello.
Yes, we are with you.
So I think we have covered some basics of numbers today. I'll try to finish numbers tomorrow before I go into list and logic.